Hassan Thackeray, a master boat builder renowned across the seas. But our tale begins not with his craftsmanship, but with a journey that would test the bounds of courage and love, bound by duty and the pursuit of his craft. Hassan Thackeray left his home, venturing to a distant island. Little did he know, his absence would herald a tale of terror and bravery. As dusk embraced the island, Aminabi ventured near the sacred mosque to draw water from the well. But fate, with its twisted sense of humor, had other plans. There, shrouded in the shadows, was a sight so ghastly it could chill the very marrow of your bones. A monster, entwined in his own umbilical cord, performing a macabre ritual with mud, sand, and a human skull. That night, and the next, the creature named Foolhu Dhiguhandi laid siege to their home, his demands echoing with a terror that pierced the silent night. But Aminabi, with a heart as steadfast as the ocean, denied witnessing the abomination. On the eve of the third night, destiny's winds blew favorably, bringing Hassan Thackeray back to his hearth and heart. United, they forged a plan to confront the nightmare that stalked them. As the creature's fury reached its zenith, its umbilical cord, the source of its vile power, became its undoing. With courage surging through their veins, Hassan Thackeray and Aminabi turned the tide, marking the monster's end with chili and steel. As dawn broke, the darkness receded, taking with it the terror of Foolhu Dhiguhandi. The monster that once haunted their nights was never seen again, lost to the annals of legend and the courage of two souls bound by love and valor. And so the tale of Foolhu Dhiguhandi remains, a testament to the power of courage in the face of unspeakable evil, and a reminder that together we can face the darkest of tides and emerge victorious. This is the legacy of Hassan Thackeray Aminabi and the tale of Foolhu Dhiguhandi.